We adopted SiteVault in November of 2020, and like many clinical research sites, the documents were all paper in binders, and we were using Excel spreadsheets to track expirations and statuses, various kinds. And so having a Part 11 compliant software, the assurances that Veeva has provided us, the integrity of the software, that it meets the strictest interpretation of the regulations and these various functions that we all know that we need, it just seemed like the logical thing to do. The ability to configure custom reports, the ability to route SOPs for reading and understanding has been really, really helpful. The ability to upload videos. We've done a lot of training videos to supplement training efforts. We know that there's a lot of online training options, but you need to be able to develop your own training systems that are appropriate at the site level.